Beautiful truck, but the look here, not so good. Today we have
Emily, the Audi nerd,
with us to do a dirty black truck. The outside is looking great. The inside, it's been lived in.
needs some love.
Yeah. So from there, let's go inside the truck.
It's impressive how well this works. Just getting it lifted off.
Yeah, you can see the dirt suspended in the foam.
Yeah. The other cool part is how you were talking about like the stuff that makes up this. It's not just, oh, we're throwing some chemicals at it. It's like,
Yeah,
you guys methodically thought about like, well, this, chemical or substance does this. So that's been kind of cool to learn about. Because I feel like most are just like, I'm gonna throw some chemicals at it and a fragrance.
Right, yeah. So now we've removed all the surface dust. So Emily, we're going to be cleaning 90% of this with Interior Cleaning Protect.
Okay.
Very simple, easy, effective way of cleaning it. The protection it leaves behind is not the greasy 70s oil slick on your dash look.
Okay.
It's just anti-static and UV protection.
Excellent.
So.
And what is it safe to use it on? Safe to use it on my big screen and the leather?
You can use it everywhere in this truck.
Awesome.
So we have our towels here, and they're double-faced towels. So one towel, one side is nice and smooth. The other side, we have our scrubbing side. We're gonna spray just to cover the surface. I'm not trying to get it wet, just covered. And then we can start cleaning. I like to clean basically from the center out of the vehicle.
Okay.
That way, as I'm moving out, I'm not coming back in. I'm not reintroducing dirt. So I'm taking all that dirt away and out, and then the door panel. And when I shut the door panel, put the mat back in, I'm done with that area. So off we go. You see, there's a bit of accumulated dust on the dash.
There is.
The blower didn't get rid of everything. Now for a trade-in sale, one area I always make sure to clean and have cleaned is there's always seems to be a receipt that finds its way on top of the VIN number between the dash and the windshield. Make sure it's not there because they will be looking at your VIN number.
That we will.
If you have a bit of dust somewhere that you can't get out with the rag, use a small brush and lift it out of there. Looking good.
Look at how much I just got after just one pass.
And that was just the top of the dash.
Yeah, it was.
Now, top of the dash is done. We can work our way down.
Okay.
On your side, you have a little more complications than I do. You got that steering wheel thingy in your way. For the vents, a couple ways of approaching it.
Okay.
We can take the towel and fold the towel and just stick it in there.
Okay.
If you have a popsicle stick or some similar apparatus, you can use that wrapped around the towel, or you can use a detail brush. These are inexpensive. Some people actually use makeup brushes from the dollar store.
Okay.
They work great. And just get in there, brush that vent, and then we'll come back and dry it. The product foams up a little bit, as you can see. Gives you a sort of a tracer to see where you've been.
That's kind of nice.
Now, if you have the luxury of compressed air, you can use the towel and dampen it almost wet with the product.
Okay.
And then you put the towel over the vent, blow through the towel,
Okay.
pull the towel away, blow again, it'll be perfectly clean.
Got it. That really is the cheat way of doing it.
And when you're cleaning the vents, always make sure to clean both sides.
Yes.
And one thing I like to do, and it seems weird, but it makes an impact, is to actually position all the vents the same.
Okay.
When you look at a brochure for a new car, vents are always positioned the same. It's just a little attention that the person doesn't know why it looks better than the other one they looked at, but it's, everything's symmetrical, everything lines up.
It's a great idea.
And the OCD person in me, well,
Yeah.
I do that in my car all the time. The vents never move because they're positioned just the way I want them. Now, a lot of these vehicles, these trays are removable.
Mm-hmm.
So take them out. If you have a bucket that you wash the outside with, it'll really dislodge all that dirt, especially with cup holders where they accumulate, let's say, coffee residue. Oh, actually, this one's not removable. Okay, but sometimes the cup holders will have a removable piece in the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
You can remove it. It allows you to get that. In this case, it's not removable, and yes, we do have a bit of residue in there.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to spray this in and let it dwell.
Okay.
Then this, I'm going to go clean it on the outside.
Sounds like a plan.
You want to let it 80-90% air dry. That way you're not pushing moisture around. And you're not going to see your results because the outside of the windshield is a little dirty.
Yep.
But if you don't look at your windshield, you'll feel that it's clean.
Yeah, you can feel where it's got a little friction where it doesn't.
Exactly.
I reached over as far as I could.
No, you're past the halfway point. So on the inside, you went up and down. On the outside, you're going left to right.
This way we can know if we've got streaking.
Right. And once again, you can feel
Oh yeah,
feel it on the glass if it's clean or not.
totally.
So now we have you using a microfiber pad.
Okay.
They're available just about anywhere. With the microfiber pad being white, you'll see how much dirt it's actually lifting off the seat.
Got it.
But you don't need to press so hard.
We're dirty now.
and really wring it out.
Okay.
You want to have it almost dry. The less moisture you bring in,
The less moisture you have to take out.
yeah. That's good.
And just all along down here?
Seat back.
See.
Again, start from the center, work your way up.
Got it.
Emily, your truck is ready to trade in.
It is.
It's looking great inside and out. What's your takeaway?
My takeaway is it's a lot less complicated than you think it is, and you don't need 10 different products to do, 10 different things. If you find I really like the interior clean and protect because it could do everything.
Right.
Use a little here, use a little there. I really like the glass cleaner because it wasn't streaking, and I didn't feel like I had to chase it down to go back and wipe it off super quickly.
Exactly.
And just those little few techniques. I also really resonated with your start in the center, work your way out, because there was a few times I was like, okay, wait a second. What have I done? Oh wait, I've completed this. I know I'm at least here. Check this over and go from there.
Yeah, exactly. So thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Emily, the Audi Nerd, DIY Detail. We'll see you in the next one.
See you then.